Welcome to We Repair Stuff. Tonight we're doing a battery replacement on the Lenovo Ideapad 100S. Really easy and quick job to do. So first thing we're going to do is remove the screws from the base of the machine. There is 11 of them that need stripping out. Just working your way through with a standard Phillips crosshead through each of the screws. It doesn't matter massively if you keep the order they came out in because they're all the same and they will all just go back. So working your way through one after the other until they're all stripped out. Once all of the screws are removed, the laptop lid may pop off on its own accord. In this case it has. If not, you will just need to get something pointy to pry onto the edge of the laptop just to lift it out a little bit, and you will just be able to work your way slowly around the edge, prying it up all the way, and it will just come off. Next thing we need to do is remove the battery connector and then the 4 screws holding the battery in place. The battery connector will just pop out. Then we remove each of the 4 screws as we did on base, one after the other. And then once we've done that, the laptop battery will just lift out of the machine. And again, the screws are all exactly the same, so it makes no difference as to which order you take them out, which order you put them back in. Once your screws are removed, you can just lift the battery straight out of the machine. It's not held on with any adhesive and it will just come out in one piece. And then in order to replace it, we just do the reverse. So pop the laptop battery back down, 4 screws back in, pop the battery connector back in, and then again we just run around the edge of the laptop and pushing the edges down all the way around, and very carefully just screw the screws back in. And that's it. So once our last 2 screws are back in, we are done. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.